See, today we will discuss Dushta Pratishaya and Sannipataja Pratishaya. Sannipataja Pratishaya, all Charaka, Sushruta, Vagbhata, all the three have told. Here, all dosha lakshana will be present according to Charaka. What Sushruta tells, all doshaja Pratishaya lakshana are present. And Ashtanga Hridayakara told, all tridosha lakshana are present. All doshaja lakshana are present. All doshaja pratishaya lakshana present, all tridosha lakshana are present. Then what he tells? Tivra ruja yukta ati dukkha karaka. Tivra, what Charaka tells? It is tivra ruja yukta and ati dukkha karaka. Then what Sushruta tells? Frequent attacks and it spontaneously reduce. There will be frequent attacks and it spontaneously reduce. Same thing Ashtanga Hridayakara tells, Lakshana frequently increase and subside on their own. Now, another symptom told by Sushruta is, sometimes becomes Pakwa, sometimes does not become Pakwa. So, these are the Sannipataja Pratishaya symptoms. To summarize all the Charaka, Sushruta and Vagbhata, all doshaja lakshana will be present. See, all tridosha lakshana will be present, all Charaka Sushruta Vagbhata. Tivra rujayukta, ati dukkha karaka, and then frequent attacks and spontaneous reduction. Frequently it will attack and a spontaneous reduction will be there, and sometimes dosha will be pakwa and sometimes dosha will be apakwa. So these are the Sannipataja Pratishaya symptoms. See, in Sannipataja Pratishaya, so all dosha lakshana will be present, like sometimes srava will be thick, sometimes srava will be thin, some daha, shosha, right, gaurava, aruchi, all types of symptoms will be present that you have to keep in mind. So whenever in the Pratishaya, if you find symptoms which are quite opposite, that can be because of Sannipataja Pratishaya. That only he has clearly indicated that sometimes dosha become pakwa, sometimes dosha become apakwa. And sometimes the dosha, the Pratishaya will automatically reduce or the symptoms will subside on their own. So this indicates that if in Pratishaya, if we get the opposite type of symptoms, right, it is because of tridoshaja lakshanas. Now we will see what is Dushta Pratishaya. See what Charaka tells you, that becomes that you see all Pratishaya, here it is there, all Pratishaya, right, if ignored and apatya sevana is done, becomes Dushta Pratishaya. All Pratishaya, if ignored and apatya sevana is done or apatya is not followed, then it becomes Dushta Pratishaya. And symptoms what it tells? Kshavatu, Nasa Shosha, then Nasa Pratinaha, Nasa Parisrava, Puti Nasa, Apinasa, Nasa Paka, Nasa Shotha, Arbuda, Puya Rakta, Arumshi, Shiro, Karna, Akshi Roga, Khalitya, Pingala Kesha, yellowish hairs, Trishna, Shwasa, Kasa, Jwara, Raktapitta, Swarabheda, Shosha Roga will be produced. See what Charaka is telling, that Dushta Pratishaya, what is Dushta Pratishaya according to Charaka, is all the diseases which may manifest after Pratishaya. See, all the diseases he has covered, and apart from that he covers the Shiroroga, Karnaroga, Akshiroga, even the diseases of the hairs, then Shwasa, Kasa, Jwara, the lower respiratory tract disorders as well as fever, and Shosharoga also. So he tells that if Pratishaya ignored, it may complicate into so many other diseases. So that is an indication by Charaka about Dushta Pratishaya, or in other words, Pratishaya if not treated, if apatya sevana is not done, how it will complicate into so many different diseases. This is what Charaka has told. Now let us see what Sushruta tells. Sometimes Nasa becomes Praklina and sometimes Nasa becomes Shushka. Sometimes there is Nasa Avarodha and sometimes Nasa Avarodha is not there. Durgandha in Shwasa Prashwasa, perception of smell stops, and this is Kashtasadhya. So instead of telling so many diseases, what Sushruta tells, he only concentrates on Nasagata symptoms. See, already we have understood that if Durgandha starts in Shwasa Prashwasa, how Durgandha will be coming? Because whatever the secretions of nose is there, they become dried. So they dry, then Durgandha will come. Right. So in the previous lines only what he tells here, you see, sometimes Nasa becomes Praklina and sometimes Nasa becomes Shushka. Right. So sometimes there will be secretion will be there and sometimes the Nasa will dry. And sometimes Nasa Avarodha is there, sometimes Nasa Avarodha is not there. Then what he tells? He tells Durgandha in Shwasa Prashwasa. So he is telling about the different types of pathology. This is what same Charaka has told. Though he is telling in different words. Sushruta is telling the same what Charaka has told but in different words. Right. So what he is telling, sometimes secretions will be there, sometimes secretions will dry, and after drying secretions, they will lead to excessive bad smell. So same thing, right? And perception of smell stops. See, both he has told. Sometimes praklina, excessive srava is there, sometimes shushka. So if mucus becomes excessive, then also smell perception will not be there. That we have understood in the pathology of smell perception, right? If mucoid secretions increase, nasal polypoid growth is there, then also nasal perception of smell will be lost. Otherwise, if severe inflammation is there, if all the mucus gets dried, then also perception of smell will not be there. This we have already understood. Same Sushruta is telling. So what Sushruta is telling? He is telling the pathological process. Charaka is telling about the symptoms. Absolutely no difference of opinion. Now let us see what Ashtanga Hridayakara tells. He has taken the first word of Charaka. All Pratishaya if ignored become Dushta Pratishaya. All Indriya Trapa will be there. That is a Akshi, Karna, right? The surrounding organs, the disease may spread to the surrounding organs. He has told the same symptoms: Agnimandya, Jvara, Shwasa, Kasa, Uravedana, Parshvavedana. Without any reason, Pratishaya aggravates. At that time, person suffers from Mukha Durgandha and Shotha. At that time, sometimes Nasa Klinna and sometimes Nasa is Shushka. Sometimes Nasa Avarodha is there, sometimes Nasa Avarodha is not there. Puya Samana, Gratita, Rakta Yukta, Kapha, Srava from Nasa. Sometimes Krimiya also manifest, which are Snigdha, elongated and small. See, this is what Sushruta has told in Raktaja Pratishaya and Ashtanga Hridayakara is telling it in Dushta Pratishaya. This we have already discussed. See, whenever the secretion is there that dries, if it emits a bad smell, and at the same time, if because of severe inflammation, sensory perception is also lost, and the flies come inside and they lay eggs, they will hatch, maggots will be formed. So, what Charaka, Sushruta, Vagbhata, all are telling, they are telling about the same thing. Or in other words, what we should try to understand, the pathological importance, right? If you see the symptoms of Ashtanga Hridayakara, what he is telling? Same which has told by Charaka, all Pratishaya if ignored, they will become Dushta Pratishaya. This is one point they have told. Then Pratishaya, he has added all the symptoms also, the pathological process also. Means sometimes Nasa will become Klinna, sometimes Nasa will become Shushka, Sometimes Nasa Avroda is there, sometimes Nasa Avroda is not there, right? So if these things continue, then what will happen? If the secretions dry, Durgandha will come, then maggots will come, and the same symptoms he is telling. What Sushruta has told in Raktaja Pratishaya. So absolutely no great difference of opinion. Our aim is what? Our aim is treatment. So for treatment, these symptoms are there. For these symptoms, what is the pathology that we have to understand, right? And what Charaka Sushruta Vagbhata have tried is different set of pathologies they have explained. So Dushta Pratishaya means what? It is Kashtasadhya. All Tridosha Lakshana can be present. If Pratishaya is not treated and Apatya Sevana is done, it may lead to Dushta Pratishaya, right? And it will have different opposite types of pathology, number 1 point, and then it will have all the complications of Pratishaya. So how to remember all the complications of Pratishaya is simple. You remember the diseases of the ear. So whatever the nose, how the nose is connected, nose is connected to ear, nose is connected to eyes, nose is of course connected to throat. So all the throat symptoms, right? And symptoms of the middle ear, symptoms of the or diseases of the eyes, they can manifest, as well as lower respiratory tract disorders also can be manifested, and it is Kashtasadhya. So we have completed Dushta Pratishaya as well as Sannipataja Pratishaya.